Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the third chapter, logic gates. Introduction. Gate is simply an electronic circuit which operates on one or more input signals and always produces single output signal. That means it is an electronic circuit which takes one or more than one input signals and produces single output signal. Second point, gates are digital circuits because the input and output signals are either low voltage or high voltage. Low means 0 and high means 1. Third point, gates are often called logic circuits because they can be analyzed with the Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra deals with the binary system. So these are in the two states, low and the high, 0 and 1 form. Second is, logic gates are classified into two types. One is basic gates, second one is derived gates. In the basic gates, we have three types: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. And in the derived gates, we have four types: NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Let's discuss one by one. First one is NOT gate. NOT gate has only one input signal and it gives single output signal. It takes single input signal and gives one output signal. The output state is always opposite of the input state. In the NOT gate, the output of the NOT operator is always the opposite of the input state. NOT gate is also called as inverter gate because the output is not same as input. That means the output is opposite of the input. That's why it called as inverter gate. Output is sometimes called complement of the input, that is opposite of the input. And this is the logic symbol for NOT gate. A is the input and A bar is output. This is the truth table for the NOT gate, whereas A is input and A bar is output. If we take input as 0, then it gives opposite of the input, that is A bar is 1. If we take input as 1, it gives output is 0, that is opposite of the 1, because in here they are either in low or in high. So if it is 0, output is 1. If the input is 1, output is 0. This is about the NOT gate. Second is OR gate. OR gate has two or more input signal but only one output signal. It takes two or more input signal and gives single output signals. Here, if any one of the input signal is high, then the output signal is high, otherwise it is 0. Okay. Plus is the symbol used for the OR operation. This is the logical symbol of two inputs of the OR gate. A and B are the input and the output will be A plus B. Plus is the symbol for OR gate. And this is the truth table. A and B are the inputs and A plus B is the output. We are taking A and B inputs. If A is 0, B is 0, output A plus B is 0. A is 0, B is 1, and then the output A plus B will be 1, because here any one of the input will be 1, then the output will be 1. So here B is 1, then A plus B is also 1. And if A is 1, B is 0, A plus B is 1. And A is 1, B is 1, again A plus B is 1. This is about the OR gate. Then third one is AND gate. AND gate has two or more input signal but only one output signal. It also takes two or more input signals and gives single output signal. Here, when all the input signals are 1, then only the output signal will be 1. Otherwise, output is 0. The dot is a symbol used for the AND operation. This is the logical symbol for AND gate. A and B is the input signal and A dot B will be the output form. And this is the truth table for AND gate. A and B are the inputs. A dot B is the output. See here, when all the inputs are 1, then only the output becomes 1. We can see in the truth table, when A and B are 0, then A dot B will be 0. And A and B, A is 0, B is 1, then A dot B will be 0. A is 1, B is 0, then A dot B will be again 0. When A and B both are 1, then only the A dot B will be 1. This is about the AND gate. These are the basic gates of the logic gates: NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. In the next session, we will discuss about the derived gates. Thank you.